All right, so back to the video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, no clickbait or cap on this channel, man. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. What's up? What's good? Say what's up, say hey. Say hey. Squad, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. For all my new viewers, I appreciate you clicking on this video. Appreciate spending some time with your boy. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, man. We're trying to keep this thing moving, trying to keep this thing grooving, man. Appreciate your support so far, man. Remember to, like I said, comment on the video, like, subscribe, all that stuff. For all my returning viewers, man, I want to appreciate everyone's support on the channel, man. I appreciate everyone subscribing, liking, and commenting on the video. So let's get into today's video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. No, well, I can't talk, man. Scratch all that. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, no clickbait or cap on this channel, man. I'm gonna bring you exactly what I'm gonna say I'm gonna bring you. So, like I said, if you've been watching my videos, what's up, man? What's good? Yeah, what's up? What? What? Car. Yeah, what did that car sound like? Oh no, okay, no. All right, no, you don't need that. You gotta put your shirt down, man. You can't be looking all on camera like that. What's this? Oh, well, yeah, that's red. That is red. All right, so back to the video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, no clickbait or cap on this channel, man. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. What's up? What's good? Say what's up, say hey. Say hey. All right, bye. Oh, whoa, start swinging the bat everywhere, man. So, if you've been watching the channel, you know a few weeks ago, I got the oil catch can from Speedlogix, and you know, let's pop the hood for you real quick to show what we got, man. Let's go ahead, man. That'd be easy to show you, give y'all a little visual aid and whatnot. You feel me? So let's get on in this thing, bro. Let's get on in this thing. So boom, there we go. So like I said, I got the oil catch can from Speedlogix. Got that installed. You can check the previous video and check that out. Only issue I have with the can is the fact where it's mounted, because right here, I cannot get to this thing to unscrew it. So reached out to Speedlogix. You know, Speedlogix might be the fastest people when it comes to shipping outside of Amazon. If you do an order, I guarantee within an hour they will have your stuff shipped. They don't play. So let me show you what we got, man. Bam. So we went and got this bracket, so that way we can mount it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure what this bracket mounts to. Mount. It might go there. It might go here. Man, I don't know where this bracket goes to, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, but I'm gonna figure it out anyway. But I got this bracket so that way we can mount this thing in a better location than where it is. Because right now, to me, this is useless right here. I mean, it does the job, but I can't get to it to do anything to it. So let me get the rest of the bolts out, get this thing figured out where it's gonna go. I'm gonna show you where it's gonna go. Also, while I got this thing out, I'm gonna show you how much oil has been caught in this catch can. I'm probably driven my car maybe about 200 miles or so. About-ish, give or take. So we'll see how much oil is in there. Let me just show y'all how well this thing is working. So let's get into it. Of course, first things first, if you are gonna be working on your catch can, anything like that, make sure the engine is completely cooled down, because it's gonna be, all that's gonna be hot. So I haven't driven the car at all today. So I'm good on that. So I'm trying to get this thing off, and then I'm gonna figure out where this bracket goes, so I can put these bolts on and make it do what it do here, man. So y'all bear with me, we're gonna get that figured out. So this is why this thing was in a terrible spot, man, because you see I'm trying to screw this thing off of this stud right here. Air intake's in the way. So, and it's hard for me to even get down to the bottom to even screw that off. So I think I can get to it anyway. I'm gonna try to screw the bottom of it off and then take it off, and then from there we can see how much oil is in the thing. But I gotta be very careful about getting this thing off, because it's in a very precarious position. So that's where we at with it, man. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up after we get that figured out. All right, guys, so I got it off finally, and I'm gonna show y'all after about 200 miles of driving. I'm gonna show how much oil is in this catch can, man. So check this out, bro. Let me go in outside a little bit, go out in the sunlight, see what we got. See that? Right there. That's just only like 200 miles of driving. You see how much oil is in that thing, man. So they definitely do their job, man. Definitely, if you're on the fence about getting one, go ahead and bite the bullet and do it. I, for one, waited a little bit too long. I should have got it sooner, but I'm a believer, as I should have been before. You see all that? That's ugly, bro. So what I'm gonna do, to empty this, I'm just gonna pour it out. I'm joking. I'm joking. I know y'all about to be mad if I just poured this on the ground, but that's what it is, man. About 200 miles of driving, and that's how much oil is dropped into the catch can, man. So whatever vehicle you got, if you got it for the long run or even for the short run, doesn't matter, man. Go ahead and get you one. So let's get back to getting this bracket moved. All right, so all my people that may have not installed a catch can before, like me, you need to know where to mount the bracket at. So if you're looking into the engine here, there's some wires that go here and here. There's actually like a plastic thing that goes into this part here, if you can see it. I'm using one hand, I'm trying to get it out of the way. There's a little plastic clip that goes into the little hole here, and you're gonna take that plastic clip out and mount the bracket there. So that's what I'm doing now. Just gotta tighten the bolt down, then we'll be good to go from there. So pick y'all back up when we get that squared away. All right, so we got it done now, and we relocated it from here up to here, which is now in a place where I can actually get to it and screw the thing off, and now I have to almost take my whole car apart to do it. So very happy with the results. We're good now, we're straight. You also got to see how much oil has collected in the catch can since driving it, which I only put like 200 miles or so on the car since putting it on. So we got this squared away. If there's any questions that you have that I did not cover in the video, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll get back to you unless you're talking crazy, and it is what it is at that point. So we're gonna wrap it up here. Thank you for tuning in. We are out. Cut it.